minimum will be HTML, CSS. Okay, the minimum will be HTML, CSS, and a JavaScript will be added. So if you want, okay. So now we'll go through it one by one. Okay. So here we have studied about HTML and CSS. HTML for creating a skeleton of the application, CSS for the applying a color, style, margin padding, etc. etc. Okay, so this is how it will work. Now we are going with the one example. So I'm going to leave my folder and the D drive, stream menu, training batches. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So now we want to do JavaScript program also. Just I want to add a JS folder. Okay. By tomorrow onwards, we are adding a files in the JavaScript. So today we are going to be discuss about the website design. So minimum skill set. So what is this minimum skill set? At least you can build any website by your own. Means in the market, what is the website rate? 10 to 15,000 for one static website. So at least you can earn like this much of amount by now only, if any freelancing thing or anything. Okay, so now I want to create a one more file called a website.html I have created and a doc. So what is the last day I have given a need to design a two forms. One is the login form, one registration form. H2 the website design. Save it, right click, open with the live server. So we are going to be go with the live server. So this is the HTML, CSS, the website design. Okay, this is a simple one thing. The next is a something paragraph. This is a static website design for a login and a register page. Okay, so now what I want to do? I want to do uh, one example. So that is called creating the two forms and working on that one. The first what we will do, I want to create a one div here, div dot my form is a my class. So I have created simple. So now the first sorry confusion. Inside a div. Okay, first we will create, we will work for one at a time. Then we can add one more website. The first what is that? So first I want to create a one. Okay, div I have created. Then we need to create a form. Okay, the form is action. If you want, you can add it, or else you can remove. So then the input type equals to text, name equals to first name, value equals to, if you want to add a value you can add it, or else you can ignore. Okay, so this is the name and okay, and one more thing, first name or like username, and the second parameter is this is for a registration. Input type equals to email, name equals to email. Okay, save it, right click, open in the live server. Okay, simple. So this is a basic simple login or registration form. So what I will do, I will copy, I will use the URL here. So now it is running here. So for that, what I will do, I will use a one more thing called a label. Label for name, and here it is a user name, and a label for email, then we can use a email, and a label for password, password. Input type equals to password, name equals to password, and I need a one button, right? So for that, input type equals to button, the value equals to submit. Save it, right click, open with the live server. See, so this is the label I have used, a little bit looks good. Okay, so just I will use a some colon type, so it looks little bit. Unless if you want, you can use it, or else no issues. Just for looking purpose I am doing. Okay, so now I want to. So this is in a straight line. So then, how to do? I need to break every line. Okay, okay. For that, how to do? Right click, inspect. Okay, for username, email, and password. So I can write individually. So something display block. Okay, or else I can write for the here. Let's see what it will happen. So if you have to see in the UI, okay, is nothing is changed here. So here you are going to be call a one class. So that is it is going to be call here. So instead of writing a display block everything, so for that I will write a one class here, a style uh, dot input class open close brace display block. So this class name I will use the here class, this one, save it, run it. See, for this it is applied. So same thing if I want to email and a password, save it. Yeah, I need to use a control X class, paste, class, paste, save it, right click, open with a live server. See how it looks now. So just we have added something for a button. So what we have to do? So for button we have to do what you can say style here. So how to write as right click, inspect. Okay. So how to write a style here? You have to just go here, just click on submit. So then you are going to. So just a minute. I'm getting one student call. He was supposed to join. Okay. So how it looks now little bit it looks good. For button I need to apply a style. How to apply style? 1 minute. Just a minute. Hello. 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 Uh, yeah. Actually I'm in a call now, session now. Just give me 15 minutes. I will call back to you. Okay. because I can share the location, but I'm in a class now. So if you came and call waiting means, so it is difficult. Just another wait 20-25 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. So now I want to write a style for the button. So how to write a style? If you just click here and click here, so write a style here. So if you want to apply background, so you can apply the color and margin you want to add. So top how much you want 10 pixel and right a 0 pixel, bottom 0 pixel, left is a around a 40 pixel something like that. So like this and padding. So padding is means so 10 pixel I will use or else we can use a 5 pixel. Okay, so this is how it looks. Copy. So just we are visualize purpose we are using here. If you reload means it will vanishes. So just we'll go here for which I want to apply for the button. So I can write here also a style control V, save it, run it. So here also I can apply. So that is not that if you have a lengthy number of CSS, always you have to write a where one. You have to go here, cut it, and if you go for the some class name dot button class open close brace, paste here, save it. So here what happens? Class button class. Save it, right click, open with the live server. Got it? First name, last name, email, it is there. So just it is running here also. Okay. So this is how it will work. First name, last name, like this. So I want to make a little bit more design. Okay. So how to design? So if I just go for a okay. Uh, Okay, I want to make a little bit good design. So for this, this text, whatever the extra text is there, I will write a inline style because only one uh, thing text align center. So center is aligned, and this paragraph also I will align center. So text align center. Save it. So for this, what I have to do, I want to use a margin. Right click, inspect. So here you have to select like this. This is the my form. So it is taking the entire width, right? So we have to click here. Then a margin. Margin. Top is a 30 pixel. Right is a 0 pixel. Bottom is a something you can give something to 10 pixel. And the left is a 400 pixel. So if you want to move little bit right, 500, 600, 700. Okay, so this is a how you have done. So I want to copy this one. Control C. If I reload means it will go. So just I want to go here. Where to write? For the form. So I can write up here also or else I will take a one class name that is a form class. Dot form class open close brace control V. Save it. Go here and reload. So now it looks somewhat good. So if you want to apply a color for the label, you need to apply a color. So everything you can do. So what I will do, I will add some box shadow. So yesterday we have seen a box shadow. Okay. So form class, I will apply a style also, width and height. So width will be 400 pixel, 400 pixel, and height will be 200 pixel, and I will add a border 1 pixel solid blue violet. Save it, run it. Okay, so why it is not applied? Let's see. Form class, okay. Width, border. Yeah, I done a mistake here. 1 pixel, that is not a PS. 1 pixel. See, this is how it is there. Okay, again I can align items in the center. So how to align a center? So this for input text, margin right 100 pixel. So just okay, we'll write a CSS for this later. Okay, so this is a my text box. So what I will do, I want to add up some box model. So what is a box model? If you just as a box shadow, so you will get a some third party CSS. See, here it is 93 bit CSS box shadows are there. So here you don't know which box shadow you want to use it. So I will use this box shadow, copy. So I copied and I will just add here. Control V. Save it. Right click. Okay, let it no right click. We'll go here. See some back box shadow is there. Okay, so if you want to, I will copy this one. You will get to know. I will go Control Z, Control B, save it. We'll go here. See, the background shadow is there, right? So how it looks. Now what I want to do? So I want to do some CSS for this one also. For input, right click, inspect, uh, margin, colon, top 20 pixel, okay, top 20 pixel, right 0 pixel, and bottom 10 pixel, and left will be 40 pixel. So you want to align little bit right, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so this is the margin I want to apply. Where? For input. So I don't want to include every individually. So just I have a class name called the input class here. So button class. So here it is a input class. Save it, run it. See how it looks. So if you want like a top and little bit, I will use a top is a 10 pixel and bottom is a 5 pixel. Save it or run it. Okay, so this is how it will works. And a button is there. So if you want to move little bit right side, so go to here, go to here. So button class. So instead of 40 pixel, you can go here as a 90 pixel. Okay, so here it is a there is a button class. Here it is a button. Instead of 40, here you can go with a 90. So got it. So if you don't have any CSS, I will just remove Control X, save it, run it. How it looks odd. So so this is how it looks good now. At least not that much. So at least you can work with something like that. Okay, this is how. Okay, so I can go little bit higher version of CSS, but at least you can do this much. Then it is going for the next topic. It's easy. Okay, so fine. So you can have a different type of CSS box shadows and all. You can use whichever. If you want to use a colored one, so just copy here, go here. I will just replace with this box shadow. Save it, run it. We'll go here. See, here it is a box shadow. So this is how it will works. Okay. So if you want to write a CSS for the okay for this label also you want to write a CSS. Right click, inspect. For label you want to write a CSS. So margin top is 20 pixel. Okay, let 10 pixel. Right is a 4 pixel. Bottom is a 2 pixel, and left is a 10 pixel. So like this. So we use a display block. It is showing like this. So this CSS where I will use for the label class. So I didn't define any label class here. So what I will do, I will call one more label class, open close brace, control V, save it. Class, label class. So just I want to save this one. So it is applied for only one. Remaining I will apply for remaining also. Class, 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 save it, run it. Okay, so this is how you have to write a CSS. Okay, so why I told this session means is just tomorrow onwards you are going to be work with these classes. Okay, so this is why I told. Same thing I want to see here. I will. This is for the what you can say form. I will click one more button here. H2 register form and style text align center save it run it. So the registration form. So I will create a one more form. So that is called see this is for the my form or else or something my form. So I want to create a one more form. So how to create div I have created and same thing label for what is that one the username and username input type equals to text name equals to user name label type equals username then the password and here it is a password then input type equals to password name equals to password and the input type is a button value equals to login or register save it run it. See, I have written a CSS for this one but same thing I want to write. So again I am not writing. So just I am using a class here. So how for the div the class my form I will use. Control C, Control V. Save it. Will go there. Okay, it is not applied. Why? So yeah. So it is not. This is the my form or something. So next, what is this one? For the form. So I need to use a form. That is why just I want to cut this one. Inside a form we need to use. So control V. So what is the class name for the name? So this is the class name. So just I will remove this one. Control V. Save it. Will go here. See. So this is the form and everything. The next what is the for the label. For the label class, I will just use a label class name here. So where in the label, the class name, label class, and a class name, label class. Okay, save it, run it. See, the label is over. And I need to call a one more important class that is called a input class. So where in the input field I want to add here. Save it, run it, will go here. Okay, so now it is added for input and a password. So then I want to add for the labels. So what is a label? So label class it is added. Okay, fine. The next, I need to add a CSS for the button. So just I want to call this class. Why? Because already I have done this here. So just I want to go here, save it, run it. Okay, so this is a simple login form. So then I want to see there are a plenty now n number of fields are there, but I don't want to which what is you need to add it. So if you for that cases, if you just go here, placeholder, enter a username and a placeholder, enter a email and the placeholder, enter a password. So got it. So he will get to know, okay, enter username. So I need to add a username and enter email, enter a password. If I make a blank means sometimes he will get confused. The first name is there, username is there, last name is there, middle name is there, family name like that. So n number of is there. So if you mention like this, so it is easy for you guys to the user to understand. So here I need to use a one more thing called a inside a form the register page. Save it, run it. So this is the register page. So this is also I will cut it from here. I will add inside the form. Save it and run it. See, this is a registration form. See, now button is came here because of this. So for that, what I will do, I will add a height 300 pixel. So now it will fit properly. See here, got it. So if I want the this is a registration page, and this is the a login page. Okay, what if I remove the CSS? Just I will remove the Control X, save it. See how it looks now. So if you add a CSS, it looks good, somewhat good. See, this is very basic. If I add a more deeper, means it will give, get confused. So just try this one, okay? So whatever, how to use the box model, individual classes, common classes, ID attribute, and everything. So you are going to be seeing here. Okay, fine. So you have to practice. Then after this class, so we are going to be give a designer website. So let's we are giving some UI mockups. What is the UI mockups? The UI mockups is here. So what is the UI mockups in the sense? So they will give us some sketch of the design. Okay. So this is a professional design. Okay. So just I'm giving, not directly. They will not give like this. So something like that. Okay. Card should be there. This one will be there. I will show. Close this. UI mockup login forms. Okay. So they want to give you the one form design. So you have to design in a such a way that. Okay. So like that they will give. So you have to design like this. Okay, so here it is a some color will be there. Here it is icon will be there, username, password, something like that. So they will give a design and you have to work on it. So you have to show in the code like this. Okay, so here it is. So they will not give okay design a website, so they will give a markup like this. So like this they will give. If they give a markup, so they have to design like this. Got it. So this is how you have to work on it. So I'm going to be give a one website to edit. I will tell one more thing called a website edit. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So free websites. So just I want to take a any free website. I will just click here. So you can go for the free CSS file. So if you just go for any this company, sorry, this website, then go download. If you want to see live, if you just click here, so how it looks now. See, this is the built with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So here, what is our work here in the sense? So just I will do right click, extract, extract. Here it is. So just if I open means, so this is the website, it will come. Okay. So now what I have to do, sir, what I have to do in sense. So just open this website here, CMD and code dot enter. So it is going to be open the Visual Studio VS Code editor. So here you have to edit the code. So why we are telling editing a code? So the first you are going to be know what is the code and all everything. Okay. So just open here. The first what is you have to change? You have to change this info at this one. So just copy here. So just go here, Control F, sorry, Control F, Control V. Where is the info.net? Yeah, info. Here it is there. So just change your email, something like that. Info at akshay.com. So then, so they have added a logo. So you can add your logo. So where is the see image logo? Logo image is there. So I want to add my image. See, if you just run it, uh, you have to right click, open with the live server. See, info at akshay.com is a, this is the yoga center is there. This is the software. So this is the logo is there. Then this is the mobile number is there. So just Control C, Control F, Control V. So here it is mobile number is there. So for this you need to call the 91 Indian country code is 91 and you can add your mobile number. So any mobile number something like this. Save it. We'll go here. So this is change. Then be peaceful and mind body something like that. You want to change as text. So how to change a text? So here be peaceful mind healthy body. So something welcome to yoga center. Place save it, run it. So add some description is there. So description is here. You can add some description. So I don't have a description. Live param w text I will add. I will enter. And the join us is the join our program. Save it, run it. See, join our program. So I want to add our own image means so just I will go here. I will go for the Pixabay images. I am going here. So I will use a, this is a logo image. Uh, I will use a, this as a logo image. Right click, inspect. Then you are going to be get the image here. Control X, Control V. Save it. Then go to the code. Here it is. See, yoga, it is coming like this. So for this, what you have to do, we have to crop into 20 by 20 size. How to do? Right click, inspect, you select this one, width colon 50 pixel. See, it is now how much it is become? 50 pixel. Just make a 100 pixel like this. So you have to edit a whole website. This image you need to change and this content. So why I'm telling this? So you will get a website designing skills. Got it? So where you have to go here? If you just go for this website, where it is this one. So I will tell one more time, HTML CSS JS free website. So just if you go for here and take any website which you like, so if you just click and click download and open in a Visual Studio Code, then edit accordingly. Got it? So by next week everyone has to show one website. Okay, no need to worry, whatever the thing you are able to change you can change it, but my suggestion is you have to change the whole website. Where is that one? Right click, I will open one more time. Yeah, here it is. The whole website I need to be changed, you need to be changed. So if you want to apply some background color different one, so you can change the background color. How to change the background color? So black is there. Okay, so like that you have to change. But it is changed in only UI. If I reload this again, it will come for a original thing. Okay, so you have to know and you have to be write the program or edit the program like this, and you have to show. And today's assignment for you is, so you have to create a two forms as I created. What is that one? So then you have to share the screenshot in the group, or you can share for the next classes. Okay, fine. So actually we thought to take a next JavaScript, but due to whatever guys, and after that how what is the skill set you have to design a website. So it is initially you have started, no worries, directly you can't design a website. So this is the starting thing, you just type and you will get to know how to write a CSS and everything. So as days goes on you are going to build a website like a professional thing. Okay, so you can build the professional website like this. So, okay, so fine. So today I don't want to take up much because of in the JavaScript it is